If you're looking to buy GoDaddy hosting, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so you can choose the right plan and complete your purchase with confidence. Whether you're starting a new website, launching a blog, or moving an existing site online, GoDaddy makes it pretty easy to get set up. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account first so you can save your hosting purchase and manage everything in one place. Once you're signed in, look at the top menu and click on Hosting. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of its hosting products, including web hosting options for different types of websites. From the hosting menu, click on Web Hosting. That will take you to the section where GoDaddy displays the available hosting packages. Now click See Plans and Pricing so you can compare the different options side by side. This is one of the most important parts because the plan you choose should match what you actually need. If you're just building a small personal website or a simple business site, a basic plan may be enough. If you expect more traffic or need more resources, you may want to choose a higher tier option. Take a moment here and review what each plan includes so you're not overpaying for features you won't use. Once you've found a plan that fits your needs, click Buy Now. After that, you'll be asked to choose your plan, period. This is usually where you select how long you want to pay for the hosting, such as monthly or for a longer term. In many cases, longer billing periods can lower the overall cost, so it's worth checking the pricing carefully before you move forward. After selecting your planned period, click Continue to Cart. At this point, GoDaddy will show you a summary of your order and you can make sure the correct hosting plan is in your cart. Then click Ready for Checkout to continue. Next, you'll choose your payment method. GoDaddy usually gives you a few different payment options, so pick the one that works best for you. If you're using a card, make sure your billing details are entered correctly before moving on. After that, review your order one more time. Double check the hosting plan, billing cycle, and total price so there are no surprises before payment is completed. When everything looks good, complete the payment to finish your purchase. Once your order goes through, your GoDaddy hosting will be active and you can move on to setting up your website, connecting your domain, or installing WordPress if that's your next step. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy GoDaddy hosting from start to finish. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more tutorials that make website setup and online tools easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.